In memory of the contribution of late Spility Lyngdoh Langrin towards stopping of uranium mining in the DOMIASIAT area in West KHASI Hills, the KHASI Students' Union Delhi unit had on Saturday, 8th January 2022, released a book on her life entitled JNGIM RIEWSHLUR KHASI, written by DANIELSTONE Lyngdoh, Advisor, KHASI Students' Union Delhi unit. The book was formally released by its former president and chairman of the Northeast Students Organization, Samuel JYRWA, who graced the occasion as chief guest at a function held at the conference hall of the KSU office, JAIAW. The program was attended by late Spility Lyngdoh Langrin's son, Babu Prijun Lyngdoh Langrin, other family members, members of the KHASI Students' Union, the president of the KHASI Students' Union Southwest KHASI Hills District, Sao Blosding Wanyang, who is also the guest of honor, besides other invitees. Addressing the gathering after the release of the book, Samuel JYRWA said that from time immemorial, the KHASIs would share any past events by word of mouth and no proper documentation was available to such events. However, he said that the book on late Spility Lyngdoh Langrin would be a form of documentation that will help future generations in getting their facts right about the banning of uranium mining in the state. He further recalled that the mining of uranium all started in 1988 when the Atomic Mineral Division Shillong had surveyed the DOMIASIAT area, where they had even started a colony, and as per their report, they had already extracted about 600 tons worth of uranium from the area. It was much later that the ill effects of uranium mining were manifested in residents of DOMIASIAT, and it was then that late Mayrat Spility Lyngdoh Langrin showed her concern for the people by becoming instrumental in the fight against mining activities in the area.
Documentation ni membaca dulu. Dia tak jingle jingi pak DANIELSTONE kumne kalau ibu tik patik jingi siapa orang kat yang akan mau keberang jam mentah akan jingkok nang nundan kuno jing bakala dengan jing sutuk bakala iba hadir ngabut. Kalau ngajingkok akan dikekot mau banyak sepang katan bertu Shillong DOMIASIAT yang berhawai. Kalau menurut jingkok kepo banyak sepang JNGIM JNGIM Spility ada kepon bilang kena ada kepon bersong kulim ada kepon itu kan Shillong teman bejogi kalau menurut jingkok ngek kepan ai jintip ini wei narinya pulih kalau menurut jing ai mensim ini wei narinya pulih yang ini kekot kumbangnya tiap orang kaki wahang tiada DOMIASIAT anong bahasandrin Auslam Kendai spot prop kendai, kendai pui tetap. Atomic Minerals Division bagi orang tak EMD kebenaran hang ni nomor sok. Kalau yo yang katakanlah menlek kata exploratory mining hang teh buat nombor jendren berkunjuru Ibriu kira Shillong koloni hang teh buat DOMIASIAT yang bagi nomor 3 joki. Berkene exploratory mining gelayan nak tu kat Islam. Berkon ke jingkok joki EMD kira sei membuat terus paton kau uranium ore nang teh po nang ba jendren po DOMIASIAT. Padai aku begini kipor bagi lami jingja bersibun jat ba lakta ya kapot kakia kilakta ya saurong saupun kilakta ya ki jingri jingdok berkunjuru khamtam lakta ya ki nang salang hang teh po DOMIASIAT po nang ba jendren. Abang yang keren bagi Spility di Kipor yang kabang i yang kata ke Jinglong Jungman Shillong tahu yang kapang berkapat ke dono. Bagi yang deh kalau kata bang i bukan jinghyar, agak himlang salang ke jingjur kikam seni kikam thala kikam aurea hang tiada Shillong yang kapelong ya ban perkat peleng dengan kamlong kapongha. Deh kalau kata bagi larai ban pot ke jingpot ban persyak ban bengok. Ia kita jing ai jing bet porhai bagi dia pensangnya no yang ni jing krong joki untuk mat pok do uranium ang teh po nang ba jendren.